What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm showing you my largest silver purchase I've ever made. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, then subscribe to my channel. This video is about this bag of silver right here. Now this is without doubt the largest single purchase of silver I've ever made my entire life. So this is 3/9 fine silver shot, and it's about 8 pounds when I put it on the actual scale. So it's quite a bit. It actually weighs out to almost 115 troy ounces of silver. So a ton of silver here. And obviously the reason I got it was to melt it down and pour it. So let me show you exactly how much it is. We got a little container here and we'll pour it out for you. So here we go. I think it might overflow. Oh, can it fit? Oh, we lost a couple little pieces. Okay, well, for the most part, it fits. So there we go. 115 troy ounces of silver right there. I'll have to find that little piece that fell out. But yeah, it's an epic amount of silver. And I think the largest purchase I ever made before this was right around 100, maybe a little bit over 100 ounces. But really stoked on this batch here. So I got this from AAA Precious Metals. That's my local refiner. And I got a killer deal on it. So when I bought this just a little bit ago, the spot price was $18.10. And they sell it for 60 cents over spot. So I was able to pick up all of this for $18.70 an ounce. And it came out to $21.50. So quite a bit of silver here. And I think it's a killer deal. Now, obviously, if I had bought in this much when the spot price was down around 14, I could have gotten a lot more, but there's nothing I can do about the spot price of silver. So I got as much as I could. Now, this is the first time I've ever been able to buy over 100 ounces of silver shot all at once. And one of my goals when I started pouring silver was to get to the place where I could just buy 100 ounces of this at a time. I've now surpassed that goal, so I'm just ecstatic about this. Really, really stoked, and I'm going to keep on pouring silver, keep on trying to get more and more of a, I guess, a backlog of this shot, because this stuff is the best for pouring. Now, if you're stacking silver, if you're just trying to buy silver and hold it to retain your wealth, this is a terrible thing to buy. I always talk about the negative sides to silver shot when I make a video on it, because people who are silver stackers will look at this and say, oh, that's really cool, it's awesome. Maybe I should buy some of that, especially because it's so cheap. But you really actually should not, because this, nowhere on here does it say 3/9 fine silver, right? They're just little pieces of silver. So if you were to go and sell this, it would be extremely hard to sell, and you'd probably get well under spot. I think the only place you probably would be able to sell it to would be a refiner, right? So let me pour this into another bucket here so we can see the awesomeness of silver shot. Now, I do want to say that to actually put this in my crucible, one trick that I learned was to use just these little shot glasses. Here's one that I got from Sydney when I was in Sydney. And each shot glass holds about 10 ounces of silver. So I got that one. I got a little Disneyland shot glass. And of course, Princess Leia, what's up? This one's seen the most actual use. But yeah, so let me pour some of this out here and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. And it just goes everywhere, right? Oh, this might be a slightly smaller container. I'm not gonna fill it up all the way, but so basically, if you wanna put this in your crucible for melting down for silver pouring, what I like to do, take a shot glass, fill it up, And then this is about 10 ounces of silver. So kind of cool. You got 10 ounces of silver in a little shot glass there. And you can pour like a batch of silver, right? Maybe pour around 10 ounces and then just replace it with silver shot in the crucible. And it makes a really easy silver pouring and reloading of your crucible on your electric furnace. So yeah, I bought all of this for my silver pour party. So it's all getting melted down, and then after the party, I'll go buy more silver and we'll do it all again. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this batch of silver here. I'm super stoked on it. The biggest silver purchase I've ever made. Obviously it's for silver pouring, not for stacking, but hey, it's still pretty cool. And it is quite a lot of silver. So yeah, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.